Okay.
$1, right on.
$31.
Yeah.
So I'm actually a Liverpool fan, but because I live in Sheffield, I'm from Sheffield, that's why I picked Sheffield United, 'cause a lot of my family are Sheffield United supporters. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not really expecting too much. Obviously, this is a bit of a Yorkshire derby, so see how it goes.
It is a great fixture with a wonderful history, and the fans are getting to fever pitch. Moments away, and it's live.
I'll just take it from there. This is just
What a perfect day for football we've got here. Martin Tyler here, along with Alan Smith. Our football today comes from the Carabao Cup. It's Sheffield United against Leeds United.
Yeah, the winner takes all. No second leg in this tournament, so I'm expecting two sides to be on the front foot from the first whistle.
For Sheffield United today, the system that we think they're going to go with is 4-5-1. That one striker will need a bit of support.
Yeah, you do not want him to be left isolated, otherwise this formation will not work.
Chance to get the ball in the box. I think the opposition looked as though they believed they'd get through then, but they haven't, and now they can get on the ball and play. Check for you on the Leeds United lineup. Responsibility for some of those five in midfield to get forward, and I'm sure the main striker
Far too close across to the keeper.
Adam Forshaw. Luke Ayling. Could be his game today, the way he's been playing recently.
2 goals in his previous match and 2 really good ones as well.
Oh, time to get the cross now. Not a turnover in play here with that interception. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Well, he's gone in a bit on the wild side. It's not an occasion here of the player going to get a second chance. He's going to get booked straight away. And that's a bit of a burden this early in the match.
Well, it is, but I don't think you can have too many complaints. He's dived in and left the ref with little choice.
Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. Well, they've worked the goalkeeper, but in truth, Alan, they haven't worked him very hard, have they?
Yeah, you're going to have to do a little bit better to beat this keeper.
Spotted that well and intercepted. Adam Forshaw. Asseri. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Just booted forward under so much pressure. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. And they've got a man out wide. Adam Forshaw. It's Bamford. Real chance! He's reached it and turned it aside. In goes the corner. That's cleared out of play, it'll be a corner. And in it goes. There's a chance, really, of getting into a scoring position then, but anything but. That's cut out.
I've not played this for a while, so
Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. What a goal that would have been on the volley.
Yeah, the crowd were on their feet. They thought he'd done it.
Able to make the interception. Here's Phillips. Difficult for the defender. Okay, slip through. Towards the front post. He has cleared it well. Sanderberger. Alvarez. Keeping the ball is one thing, but they've got to try and open up the opposition. Well, he could be in. Oh, he's missed it!
Oh, you wonder how important that will be come to the end of this game. Good show of character by the visitors. Last 15 really have got hold of the ball. Now they're looking good with the football that they're playing as well. This is excellent stuff. And if they can't get a goal soon to get themselves ahead, they'll be kicking themselves.
Ferguson. Alvarez. Intercepted here. It's Patrick Bamford. Time to get the ball in. It's a shot. Good stop by the goalkeeper. Got to pass the ball a bit better than this if they're going to make progress. Giving it straight away.
been a while since played.
It's a real opportunity to get it into the middle. Hit it hard, but not very true. Another turnover in play here with that interception. Room for the cross. Put away, but not out of harm's way. That's proper clearance. Well away from the danger zone. Well, they've got the opposition on the back foot with this break. They're coming at them with numbers. Alvarez. Sanderberger. Sloppy work, really. Adam Forshaw. The goal that would put them in front doesn't look too far away the way they're playing. Golden opportunity now. Got to it somehow.
What a stop. That was heading right into the corner.
Corner played into the middle. Well, he has got a chance to get the cross in. To Harrison. It's offside, and the referee's given it. Ferguson. That's the referee's decision. 2 added minutes.
2 minutes.
To go in from here. With dropping in, the goalkeeper made sure it didn't by tipping it over. And that's gone out for a corner, clear cut, and an opportunity now maybe. Good defending, no problem in the end. Now he can cross it. And they're stopped in their tracks by a raised flag from the assistant.
Well, I thought, you know, he timed his run perfectly there, but no, they kept a good...
And there is the half-time whistle.
Try and get it done as quick as possible. Who's been assigned to me as a shooter. So I couldn't see that anyone do it for all days.
Good action in the English League Cup in the first 45 minutes. Second half starts now.
I think 1 or 2 players surprised us, actually, how well they played in that first half. They'll be delighted.
They're looking good when they get the ball out wide, as they've done here. And there was danger, but he's cleared it. Alvarez. 1 or 2 options now in forward areas for them. This could put them ahead. Goalkeeper can only parry it out. Well, they managed to dig themselves out of a pretty deep hole then. It was a great chance, I thought, but they're safe again. Offside. The officials clearly in agreement. And that's a straightforward offside decision. But he's been in the game, hasn't he? That's the best we can say for him. But not everything he's tried has come off.
Didn't quite have the impact I was expecting at the start, but time to remedy that.
Got the ball back. It's a useful position, this, for the free kick. It's yellow from the ref.
Oh, without question.
Is that just a case of mistiming the tackle?
Didn't look comfortable going into it, and it was a definite foul. Well, I think he's going to go for goal. Why not? Great chance to get his...
Takes on the shot! And the goalkeeper, he just anticipated the direction of the free kick. Anticipated well.
Well, I think they've got to step it up. They've been below par. I'd have expected them to have created a lot more chances than this so far.
Looking for the shot here. Well, the keeper's got that. Sanderberger. Steered through. Brilliant pass. Can he finish it? Oh, it's a great goal!
Against fair. I don't think we deserve to be on that.
I'm sure the manager will be delighted with this. Fantastic teamwork. Lovely ball through.
It's Sheffield United in front. And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well. Great ball. Just nicked it away from the attacker, the goalkeeper. Well, we'll see this team again soon. this is their next fixture, which we'll bring to you on EA Sports. Let's give you some transfer news. It involves Liverpool, who have confirmed that this deal is completed.
Yeah, and they went in with a big offer, about £50 million. I don't think that's unreasonable. Will he find an immediate place in the team?
Intercepted well. He's made the interception. And Phillips.
If I am going to do it, I'm going to...
They obviously believe that they can find this equaliser by passing their way through the opposition. Sanderberger. Well, he's got a chance now to get forward in this wide area.
So, yeah.
There's a lot of promise in that, but in the end, no fruits from their labours. Here's Phillips. Pablo Hernandez. Now Helder Costa. Here's Phillips. White. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Now Sessegnon. Into the attacking third. They've opened them up here. He is...
I could have played it across the box there to Alvarez, but that would have been a sweaty goal, and we all hate sweaty goals.
The saviour there. Very hard for the defending team to do anything with the ball in these circumstances. It's time for the substitutes, I think, and the substitution for the home team here. Slipping it through. Oh, he's kept it out.
Was just our best play game.
Here comes the corner. Really good defending. If he hadn't touched it, it was a goal.
Now, one of the keepers thanking him for that bit of closing down by his defender.
That's a decent cross. He needs to clear it here. Cleared the ball. We've got 8 more minutes of the 90. Norwood. Good vision here. What a brilliant goal. It's another chance and another goal for a team that's really dominating this match, and they are the better side, and now the scoreline absolutely shows that.
Last 3 minutes.
Restarting at 2-0. To Harrison. Spotted that well and intercepted. Good vision. Head in there to try to convert this cross. Saved, but not decisively. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. Room for the cross. They've defended with great organisation to get possession back after being under pressure for some time. Here's a replay again of the goal. Corner played into the middle. There was a chance, really, of getting into a scoring position then, but anything but.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 2 minutes added time.
12-hour shifts, which are 4 on 4 off, so 4 days.
It's a goal, and it maybe will breathe a bit of life into these last few minutes.
You've got to hand it to them. They haven't given this match up.
They want to get back for the kick-off because they have got this goal. Now they're just 1 down, but Time is really ticking on.
I thought they were out on the feet there, Martin, but a goal out of nothing, and who knows? Cause for concern for this manager. I think I saw him glance back to his substitutes, having conceded that goal.
And we restart the game 2-1.
I'm an anime fan.
Goal for Leeds United. Number 29, Jean-Kevin Auguste.
2-1 the final score as the referee calls a halt. And that's the end of the game. It's Bamford.
We'll do post-match interview, and then we'll progress to the day of the next match.
Just a moment of your time.
We'll take it from there. Yeah, we can win if we turn down all the settings for the game's AI and make it through. Because you want to keep players active in case you've got to take them out or rotate them back out to do. I'm not really bothered about the Carabao Cup. The FA Cup still an important for me. So the FA Cup still for me. I don't care about the League Cup.
Thank you.
The League Cup moves very well to me. Honestly, I'd rather see it going.
Said she loved me 'cause I work